What's up you guys, welcome to XJ6 channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to remove the front seats on your Series 3. Remove the Phillips head screw securing the cushion bracket, then lift the cushion from the seat. I've already removed the bracket before recording. If your Jaguar is fitted with electrical power seats, disconnect the connections. Remove the return springs. Remove both front T40 bolts. The socket didn't fit on the other side, so I used the same size bit and some vice grips. Slide the seat forward to the full extent and remove the rear mounting bolts. And then you should be able to remove the front seats. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.